Hi, I'm Holly. I'm going to tell you a quick story. So, when my first daughter was born, she was immediately taken away from me because she was not breathing. They put her on life support. She was on a ventilator. She was in the NICU for several weeks while they were working to get her lungs to be able to do their job. And after a few weeks, we were done. She was able to come home. We were so happy. We thought it was all done, but it wasn't. And she started having some recurring respiratory issues. Well, one night when I came home from my job as an ER nurse, I came home from a long shift and my husband handed her to me and he said, I don't know what's going on. She just started doing this. I'm not sure what to do. So I took a quick assessment of the situation and she was really struggling. And I thought, What am I supposed to do right now? Do I have the tools that I need? Do I even know what to do right now? No, I don't. And so we took her to the hospital and we had to stay overnight. She got on medications. We were able to, recover the situation right there at the time. But I remember making the decision right then. I do not want this to ever happen again. I don't want my child to go through this anxiety, this stress, this fear, the sickness, not being able to breathe. That's horrible. I don't want to go through this again as a mom. I don't ever want to feel and like I don't know what to do. Like I feel helpless. I don't want to feel fearful. I don't want to be anxiously watching her on the monitor breathing at night. I want to be able to know how to help my child. I want my child to have faith in me and know that I'm her rock and know that I can heal her. So I did a deep dive. After we got home, I did a deep dive in how can I heal my child holistically? Not just how can I put a band aid on the situation? How can I help her right now? But how can I really heal her so that emergencies are no longer part of her story? How can I heal her foundationally so that we are able to get her to the point where she can run and breathe and laugh and get through the winter without having to go to the hospital? And we did. That's what we did. We healed her. We were able to learn. I was able to learn more of how can I assess the situation and notice when symptoms are starting, so that I can quickly intervene appropriately, so that it doesn't turn into an emergency. And how can I help her on a regular day to day basis, so that this doesn't keep happening, but we start seeing fewer and fewer emergencies and fewer reasons to use medications or go to the hospital. And since then, that was when she was 2 years old. Since then, we have not been to the hospital as a family. We have not used any medications as a family. We have not needed to. And so I want to invite you into this kind of life, an emergency free life. I have a new course that is starting in January, but registration is opening today. And I want to invite you to come join. I am going to be teaching you and all the other moms who join this group, join this course, how to do this, how to assess your child, how to notice when symptoms are starting so that you can intervene in the right way. What do you need to do? How do you intervene depending on what's going on with your child? And then how do you support on a regular day to day basis to make sure that your child's lungs are healing so that her body or his body is supported so that they're strong and they're cleansing well so that they do not need to go through these emergencies so that you can have an emergency free home because of the work that you've done. I want you to feel empowered. I want you to have the confidence, the knowledge, the tools, the resources you need so that when something starts, you know how to deal with it. So that's what my course is all about. We will have group coaching sessions where we'll all get together every single week of the course and I will teach you. We'll go through questions and answers, and we will make sure that you are doing what is best for your child in doing the foundational healing and also doing the interventions that are appropriate for your child. So if this sounds like you, if you want to change the trajectory of your kid's life, if you want emergencies to be a thing of the past, if you really want to take charge of your family's health and see this new year be one of fewer and fewer emergencies, then this course is perfect for you. The early bird sale is going on today. This is a quick sale. It's going on right now. This is the lowest price that it's going to be. So go ahead and grab it now so that I can see you in January and we can make 2025 an amazing year of health for your family.